Invincible come out with our special guest all the way from Japan. She loves all the kids who love to play and dance. Please welcome our favorite all pink squirrel, Liza Tran! Here at Popul area, I guess come and join us. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's invite all the kids playing here at Race Circuit area and Land Park area. I guess come and join us. Let's go, kids. Let's just hurry up with us. We are inviting all the kids playing here at Air Track area and Johnson area. All the kids playing here at Navigate area and Happy Bus area and Water area. And let's just hurry up because we are inviting all the kids playing here at Sun area. I can come and join us. Alright kids, let's go kids. Alright, once again to all the kids playing here at Kitsuna. You are open to come and join our sports activity this afternoon. Alright kids, hurry up because we are going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, that's the kids natin today. Alright, reminder to all the parents and guardians, sa labas na lang po muna tayo ng event area para po ma-maximize ng kids ang aming space. And reminder, kapag po nag-years old below tayo ng kids, makikuha na lamang po sila baka po nag-igat or matamaan po ng ating mga kids, okay? Alright, dahil siyan. So before we start, kamustahin muna natin ang mga kids. Okay kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. And when I say hello, you will say hi, okay? Hi kids! Hello! Hi! Are you having fun playing your Kitsuna? Alright, so before we start, magpapakilala po muna kami sa inyo, okay? We are the very name of Kitsuna SM City Santa Rosa. I'm your host, my name is Captain Julia, together with my two partners, my first and second lieutenant, Kuya MC and Ate Bea. But kids, there's more. We have a special guest all the way from Japan. She loves all the kids who love to play and dance. Please welcome General Lala Tran. Hi, Tran. Hi. Alright, anong gusto mo sabihin, Lala Tran? Okay kids, listen. Sabi ni Lala Tran, bago daw tayo mag-proceed sa ating game, ay kailangan ma-warm up ang ating mga body. So kids, are you ready to dance? If you're ready, everybody hands up, shake your hands, and arms sideward. Okay, yung mga kids natin na maliliit ay dito sa harapan, at yung kids natin na mga toddlers or malalaki sa may likuran ko. Okay, good job kids, good job. Okay, everybody down your hands. Okay kids, tutulungan po kayo ni Lala Tran ng mga different step po ng ating warm-up dance, okay? The first one, Lala Tran, is move your hips though po to the right and move your hips to the left and then clap your hands. And then the next one, Lala Tran, is point your finger to the right and point your finger to the left. And then sa mga susunod na step, ay gagayahin nyo lang po si Lala Tran. So kids, are you ready to dance? If you're ready, everybody hands up, shake your hands, and play the music with. Alright. Point your finger. Alright, you ready? And point. And dance on. down, kids. Sit down. Sit down, kids. Okay, kids, listen, ha? I want to ask you something. Where are your eyes? How about your ears? All eyes and ears lang po muna kay Ate Julia. And listen very carefully dahil ipapaliwanag namin sa inyo kung ano ang game natin today, okay? Hangin lang po muna ang tayo. Sit down lang po kayo dyan. So kids, what is this, kids? This is a no. So may idea ba kayo kung anong game natin today? So please support! Tago for, very good. So kids, anong tago for? We have tuning, which is the teammate and the teammate. And syempre sa larong tago for, kailangan tayo ay strong. Strong ba kayo, kids? So how strong you are? How about Lala-chan? Wow, very strong naman daw si Lala-chan. So kids, you all you have to do is follow my instruction, okay? When I say hands up, you need to raise your hands like this and hands on your back. Be ready because I will count 3, 2, 1, and to pull, 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 pull the rope as harder as you can. So kids, kanino pa ito ang harder? Sa team? Hey, good job kids. And sa tago for, we have 3 rounds. Ang unang maka 2 points, it will be the winner! Okay, ano Lala-chan, may gusto kong sabihin sa akin? Alright kids, before the timer proceeds sa ating game, ay meron siyang safety reminders para sa inyo. The first one, Lala-chan, is no pushing. Second is no jumping. Third is hold the rope firmly. And lastly, and the most important, be sports and let's enjoy the game. So that means are you ready to play? If you're ready, everybody stand up. Stand up. At this point, you need to choose your team leader between Ate Bea and Kuya MC. Lala-chan and I will give you 10 seconds to group yourself in for 2. It will group, okay? Lala-chan, let's go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, may kids pa tayo sa gitna, Ate Bea at Kuya MC. And syempre, Ate Bea at Kuya MC, pakibilang po ang inyong kids. And kids, everybody arms forward. Everybody arms forward. Good job, kids. Good job. And syempre, habang nagre-ready po ang kids natin, to all the parents and guardians, dahil may hawak po tayong mga clappers at ring bell, ito po ay magsisilbing cheer niyo po sa inyong mga kids. Come on. Okay, pakibilang po ang inyong kids. 19, how about Ate Bea? 19 din. Okay. Lala-chan, dahil equal ang kids natin, dito muna tayo sa team ni Ate Bea. Hi, kids! Hi! Okay, super energetic naman ang kids natin, Lala-chan. So kids, kayo po ay tatawagin nating Team A. Ano nga po yung tawag? So, paninig daw po si Lala-chan na malakas na cheer ng Team A. Team A! Team A! Team A! Team A! Good job, kids! Good job! Lala-chan, let's go. Dito tayo kay Kuya MC. Hi, kids! Hi! Wow! Super energetic din sila, Lala-chan. So, kids, kayo po ay tatawagin nating Team B. Ano nga po yung tawag? Now, kids, paninig daw po si Lala-chan na malakas na cheer ng Team B. Team B! Team B! Team B! Team B! Alright, good job, kids! And kids, may tanong ulit si Ate Julia sa inyo. Sino po dito ang nakakalaw ng Salsa Train? Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. So, habang papunta tayo sa aming airtrack area, ay kailangan nyo daw pong sabihin ang sounds ng train, okay? Now kids, are you ready? So, if you're ready, let's do the chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Team A, Team B. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Team A, Team B. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Team A, Team B. Let's go, Lala-chan, slowly. Slow down, kids, slow down. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Team A, Team B. Chaga, chaga, chug, chug. Go kids, follow lang po. Follow. Alright, good job kids, good job. Now, habang nag-ready ang kids natin lalachan, para po sa ating mga parents and guardians, reminder lamang po, if ever may cheers po below the kids na nandito po sa aming aircraft area, pakikuha na lamang po sila baka po malipit or matamaan po ng malalaki natin kids, okay? Alright kids, everybody arms forward. And to all the parents and guardians, if ever po yung kids nyo ay nandito po sa teammate, dito po kayo sa kabilang side mag-cheer. And if ever naman po nasa TV ang inyong kids, dito po kayo sa kabilang side mag-cheer, okay? Now, Lalachan, are you ready? How about parents and guardians, are you ready to cheer? Alright kids, everybody hands up. Super ready na ang kids natin Lalachan. And hands on your back. Alright, be ready because our first round starts in 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 20, 30, 11, wow, super energetic pa rin sila Lalachan. So kids, tingin tayo sa teammate. At dahil binigay pa rin ng teammate ang kanilang best, we will give them entry club with using entry chaga chaga chuk chuk, chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B, chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B, chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B, chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B. Let's go, Lalachan, and let's go, kids. Chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B, chaga chaga chuk chuk, team A, team B. Alright, let's go, kids. Come on. Alright, hurry up, kids. Because may gustong sabihin si Lalachan sa akin. What is that, Lalachan? Alright. Alright, let's go, kids. Dahil super excited na si Lalachan, i-announce sa inyo ang kanyang gagawin. Let's go, kids. So, kids, sabi daw ni Lalachan, ay sasayaw daw po tayo ulit. Dahil meron po siyang inyandang best performance para daw po sa inyo. So kids, are you ready to dance? Yeah! If you're ready, everybody hands up and shake your hands. Shake your hands and play the music, please. Okay, slow down your hands. Slow down your hands and be ready. Alright, and let's jump. Alright, good job, kids, good job. So kids, ang box po ni Lalachan ay meron pong password, okay? You know what? You know to what the password? Okay. So Lalachan, the password is, you will count 3, 2, 1, and you will shout, surprise! So kids, are you ready to open the box? Lalachan, are you ready? Okay, let's count in 3, 2, 1, surprise! Wow! Okay, sit down, kids, sit down, and raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, good job, kids, good job. Raise your hands. Okay, so all the parents and guardians who may proceed po sa aming lahat, para po mas mabidyohan at ma-picture niyo po na mas maayos ang inyong mga kids. Okay, syempre waiting naman ang kids natin. Raise your hands. Okay, and kapag may balloons na po, wiggle, wiggle your balloons, okay? Wiggle, wiggle your balloons. Alright, wiggle your balloons. And just raise your hands. Okay, dito po sa may dulo ay wala pa pong balloons sa Libya. And wiggle, wiggle your balloons. Okay, sit down lang po, sit down. Sit down, kids, sit down. And wala po walang alas dahil meron po tayong group picture with Lalachan, okay? Sit down lang, kids, and then sit down. Okay, kids? Meron pong ipapagawa si Ate Julia sa inyo. Okay, hi kids, hi! Okay, kapag po sinabi kong Kinsuna, ay sisigaw po kayo ng hooray, and then i-wiggle niyo po yung balon siya. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's practice. Let's practice in 3, 2, 1. Kitsuna! Okay kids, this time po yung mas malakas para rinig tayo nila dyan, okay? Alright, in 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! And this time kids, tingin tayo sa camera nila mommy and daddy. And give your big smile. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Hooray! Alright, let's go, Lala-chan. Ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa akin, Lala-chan? What is that, Lala-chan? Alright. Sabi daw po ni Lala-chan, nag-enjoy daw po siyang makalaro kayo today. Nag-enjoy din ba ang kids natin? Ano pa yung Lala-chan? Alright, pinapatanong po ni Lala-chan, sino daw pong gusto mag-celebrate ng birthday here at Kitsuna? Taas ang kamay! Alright, to all the parents and guardians, if you're looking for a place to celebrate your kid's birthday party, well, Kitsuna SM City Santa Rosa is available for 4 different packages. For more inquiries, don't hesitate to ask our friendly staff or you may download our Kitsuna app and we are more than happy to assist you. So what are you waiting for? Download it and book now. Thank you. So kids, everybody stand up. Stand up. And it's time